Welcome to the channel. This is a quick rundown on the LA Trax Teton powered by Traxxas. The Teton is an 18th scale full-time four-wheel drive RC car. For comparison's sake, here's the Teton next to the axial 124 scale car. The Teton sports a brushed motor, a nickel metal hydride battery, and has a charger included for around $150. This car also features waterproof electronics and oil-filled shocks.
6 shots, yeah, straight to the face, and I wanna get lost. I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way, so I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe, so I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots. Are you coming with me?
The Teton is pretty far from being a crawler, but you can kind of bump over about anything. It's definitely more home bashing.
I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. Taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots. Are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let.
We created a pretty fun little course here by stacking up some scrap 2x4s and throwing an outdoor carpet over top of it. My 6-year-old and my 8-year-old have been running these cars with no issues so far. However, we have not turned them up to full power. These cars do have a training mode and they're only at 50% power right now. And all of these videos are all shot with only 50% power, so they've got a lot more left in them.
That's enough, I'm about to pop off. So I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face, and I wanna get lost. I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm...
The kids are really enjoying these cars. We can't really do these kinds of acrobatics and stunts with the 124 scale crawler vehicles.
Don't think I'll get home safe, so I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots. Are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face, and I wanna get lost. I'm sick of this place. Don't know